Shri Ram friends, my name is Neelam Durga Bhavani and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Hindu Queen of Wands Tarot Card Reading 369 Universe Calling. So today in this reading we will see what is the message for you from the universe. In Message from Universe Volume 9, you have these two options here. You can just select any one of them, either the rose petals or the pink flower, whichever attracts you. Great, I hope you have selected. So let's see all those who have selected those petals. Let's see what's the message from universe for you in Message from Universe Volume 9. Message from Universe Volume 9. What is the message? So we got the Strength card here. We got 9 of Wands and 6 of Cups. So it looks like there was someone in your life and this person was very close to your heart, and maybe from childhood times you know this person, and very sweet memories are there. This relationship was very strong because we got the Strength card here, but now you are wondering if you should talk to this person or not. So maybe there was someone in your life who was very close to you and the relationship was very strong, but now you are thinking here, should I talk to that person or not? So maybe there were some differences. You want to communicate with this person, but you are thinking, should I talk to this person? Let's see what will happen now. So there is 3 of Swords. Maybe this person cheated on you, or there is heartbreak here. So it looks like somebody broke your heart and that person was very close to you, and now you're thinking if you should talk to that person or not. So maybe you are in a third party situation, or maybe you realize that this person is dating somebody else also. So that's the reason why you are thinking now, should I talk to that person? You are looking quite angry here, but still you have feelings for that person because you have spent some really nice memories with that person. So there is heartbreak. Let's see what will happen in the future. Okay, we got 8 of Swords here. It looks like you have restricted yourself and you don't want to propose to that person or talk to that person because you believe that this person is happy with the King of Cups or with the Queen of Cups, because you can see that we got the King of Cups and Queen of Cups both. So it looks like this person married somebody else. You were in love with this person, you shared really nice memories, but then this person married this King of Cups, maybe because of finances, because this lady is looking at this cup very closely, you can see, and she has this unique cup here. So that's why she married this King of Cups, for this unique cup. You're stuck here and you don't know what to do now because you feel that they are happy together. You have tied yourself here, you don't want to talk to that person and you don't want to initiate the relationship, and you have just trying to stop yourself. You don't want to initiate the communication because you know that they both are together and they are happy. So let's see what will happen finally. What is the message from universe for you? What you should do in this situation? Let's find out. What should you do in this situation? So we got Knight of Pentacles. Universe is saying that something is coming towards you. We got the Lover's card. So stop loading this luggage on your shoulder, this luggage of this relationship, your past relationship. This is what universe is advising you. Stop talking about that person or stop thinking about that person, because now there is somebody new who is coming towards you with this pentacles, and this person is approaching you. There is Lover's card, so definitely there is a new person coming in your life. This is what the universe is telling. So stop chasing the person who was there with you but then married somebody else or left you for any reason, and now you are thinking, should I talk to that person or not? So universe is advising you don't have to talk to that person because somebody is coming towards you, and that person is coming with the pentacle, with offerings, and there is Lover's card. So definitely a new relationship is there on the horizon. Here's a message for all those who selected the rose petals. Now let's see what is the message for all those who selected this pink flower. Let's see what's the message from the universe in volume 9 for all those selected the pink flower. Okay, we got the Ace of Wands. You want to take an action. 4 of Swords is also there. Looks like you have been in lots of trouble for a period of time, lots of anxiety and stress about a situation. Then we got Page of Swords. Finally you want to take an action and get out of this situation, something which was bothering you, and you want to learn and educate yourself so that you don't get disappointed in every relationship. You can see there is Four of Cups here and this Four of Swords. Both are looking very negative cards. It looks like there's lots of stress about a relationship, maybe your exams, you didn't get good result or something like that, which is affecting you. And maybe you're not happy with what you are getting from universe, especially when it comes to relationship or education. And that's the reason why you want to make some changes in your life and you want to take an action. So let's see what will happen. Again, we got Five of Cups here. So it looks like you are getting disappointed with whatever you are doing. You are getting disappointed. But universe is saying that you no need to get disappointed. There is a new beginning on the horizon for you, because you can see Five of Cups. So not in the right situation, but then there is one cup just next to her. And this is what universe is telling you, that everything has not finished. There is a new beginning for you on the horizon. So this is the message for you. If you want to start something, you can start it now, and you don't have to worry about what happened in the past. In the past, maybe something happened which is causing stress to you and you're feeling like nothing is going to happen, but universe is saying that there is a new beginning on the horizon. So this is the message for you. There is new beginning, something new is going to start, maybe a new relationship, maybe you will start a new job, a new business. So there is something new happening for you, and it's going to be life-changing experience for you. Things will change in your favor. So this is the message for you. I hope you like the reading, and if you want a personalized reading, you can WhatsApp me. Number is 9899 000 366. Please subscribe to this channel, and please click the bell icon to get the notification of my videos and for live tarot reading. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Bharat.